I think it's safe to say that the alt art pulling champion of the Pokemon TCG game, Alexander Leviathan, also your Pokemon World Heavyweight Champion, also your YouTube Shorts champion. So much gold. Take a picture. Screenshot it. Come on. I'm not, no words. 2 all arts 3-pack. Mr. 2 and 3. Mr. 2 and 3. That's a new name. Mr. 2 and 3. You know what? Let's go into it. Evolving Skies. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we got? Hidden Leaf Energy. Ace Ring. Swoobats. Digging Gloves. Slog. Wait, that's not Slog. That's Slack off. There we go. La Baby. Carbonine. The Weevil. Mareep. Zoroark for the reverse. And 7. Please tell me you have something. Milotic. Nothing there. That's fine. I'm still on a whole different continent, man. I'm still on a whole different continent, ladies and gentlemen. And whatever you choose to identify as. I'm overjoyed about this. Mr. 2 and 3. Mr. 2 and 3. Chilling Rain. Let us go. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Blade. Willipede. Cybo. Expedition Uniform. Snowford. Yamask. Glaring Style. Coughing. Shuppet. Squovit. Griplock. And Teresa. The lady with long legs. Brilliant Stars. Let us go. Code card. 2, 3, 4. Trainer Gallery card for the end. Lightning Blade Jutsu. Bzz. The Demon returns. Friends and Galler, I need the full art, please. Give me the full art. Propass. Kumchu. Duskull. Farfetch. Execute. Gamer. Golurk for the rare, and what is the second to last? Sigilyph, nothing there. Okay. Chilling Rain once again. Chilling. Let us get. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chilling Rain. Third Eye. Energy. Whirlipede. Thwacky. Rugged Helmet. Blitzel. Ghastly. Coughing. Delibird. Farfetch. Glaring Style. If you haven't noticed, I'm trying to work on my card pulling like Rev does. I love the way Rev pulls cards. Shaman for the reverse. So what's the finale? Mwah. Woo! Cybo full art. And that gets the tie seal of approval. Woo! And I'm going to seal it up on the recommendation of my guy, my buddy, my pal, Corvxnite. Corvxnite. If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. 2 alt arts and a full art trainer. Woo, 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 woo. I'm still on fire. Evolving Skies to end the video. Here we go. I see ya, Pikachu. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Blade Jutsu. Bzz. Copycat. Skiploom. Zoalis. Pikachu. Pupkaboo. Rufflet. Losad. Emolga. Love this for the reverse. And what is the finale for this pack breaking endeavor, please? The Weevil. He stole the rare. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am Mr. 2 and 3. Once again, 2 alt arts and 3 packs. I will see you again tomorrow. 4 more. When you return, 4 more. Whenever I pull an alt art, I always end with just this title, so you can see who remains at the top of the Pokemon TCG landscape. And I will see you tomorrow 4 more. This should be my profile pic. And I will see you 4 more. And Valor, please, I know they're happy. Send them out of here. Super V, please, bring them back.